Camera testing, 1, 2, 1, 2. Checking out these new camera goggles. Cruising around the hood, seeing how they do. Little FPV on the dirt bike. These squirrels are chasing the shit out of each other. Got cruise control on this bitch. I don't know if I like it or not, but probably gonna have to fix that actually soon. It's almost got me in trouble a couple times on the old wheelie. Good old Pissoria. Pothole Peoria. Everybody does fucking dual sports. They either wave, want me to pop a wheelie, or they want to race. That's about it. Stop at these stop signs. We're not fucking idiots. Might run it if I was running from the law or something. Glass in the road. Fuck that. Pretty fucking muddy out there. I'd take it straight down to the trails. Which I may end up doing that anyway. See another bike out here. What's this? Little Harley. Side by side over there in the hood. I actually tried to sell it though. My buddy got a 2-smoker, man, and let me ride it. I miss those old 252 smokers. What am I talking about though? I ain't nobody gonna give me 5 stacks for this bitch. Brand new bike though. Got 515 miles on it. There's the boys. Better watch out for the boys in blue. like this nose piece. Oh. Gotta figure out how to set the clock still too. Got GPS tracker on this motherfucker. That was $200. And I got full coverage too. I know these two-wheelers like to walk away real easy. Go hands off my shit. I thought that biker was gonna go right out in front of me, dude. Woo! Get one. Alright, that was a bit extreme. It's hard to break my balance point on the dirt bike because I keep going from this to the Ninja. And I was getting good on the Ninja boy. And now since I got this motherfucker, it's like it's too hard to go back and forth and stay consistent. But I just got this bike. I've had the Ninja for a while, so I think it's just a matter of getting more seat time. It's so easy to ride this thing, man. Ninja 2, both of them, we can whip both them motherfuckers. Gotta wrap this motor out. Or the state boys. Really gotta wrap this motor out though to get it up into high gear, so I'm gonna put that 13 in here. And then basically it's like going up, forward, in the rear, but you lose 6 gear. But I mean, I'm not planning on riding this thing on the highways, really. I have already, but I'm not going to lose much top speed, but I'm going to gain a lot of bottom end. And it's lacking both on this bike, I ain't going to lie. Up to like 90 something. Pretty fucking good for a 250. That my Ninja had, like proper gas gauge. This one just got a light that tells you when you need gas. Gear indicator would have been nice to let me know what gear I'm in, since it is a 6-speed and it is aimed at beginners, you know. Throw that on there, it don't cost shit. The headlights could have been LEDs. That's kind of lame. piece of heat right here. Right here. Got the whole yard full of them motherfuckers. Go around the block one more time, I'm gonna kill this vid. This will be my first moto vlog, basically. Probably not the best. I don't know how the sound's gonna be, or if it even has sound. This is my first time using these goggles. I had a pair years ago, and I actually sold them to a friend of mine. He still has them, but it's been so long I don't remember what all the features. I just used to love them because all of my GoPros and shit, I'd be on the trails riding, hit a branch or whatever, some overgrowth, boom, camera gone. And not just me, like a lot of people I know have lost their GoPros down there and never even found them. So if you do lose it and find it, you're super lucky. So yeah, that's my reasoning behind these here. If I go trail riding, I just throw a pair of goggles on like I normally would. They got tear-offs and shit just like goggles normally do. And you don't have to worry about losing a super expensive camera, which is bound to happen. It happens all the time. The mechanic's house and my buddy's house, I had a garage fire. Alright, so I'm probably not going to edit this video. I'm thinking about just throwing it on YouTube. But if you're watching the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe, and all that good shit. I'd like to make more content. I've watched YouTube my whole life, so I know there's a ton of work into it. I'm not going to quit my day job or nothing like that for it, but I started working 10s again. I had the day off, so I just figured I'd try this out. And then actually a little bit later, I got my new drone that I've only flown one battery through. I'm going to get it out, get some aerial footage. Of course, I'm taking the moto, the dual sport. I could turn it to a supermoto, but I primarily got this bike for off-road use. I am going to be riding it on-road a lot too, but I just bought this to basically ride with my kids. All the 450s and the bigger bikes, they would overheat whenever I'm trying to go super slow riding with the kids. And I got sick and tired of stopping and having no kickstand and then having to kick it to get it going again. So yeah, I got the KLX 250. It's perfect for riding around with the kids. And then, I mean, it's also not so bad for just going out here on the street, taking a rip. 100% legal, fully covered, don't gotta worry about nothing. Put shit on and go. It's muddy in the pits, oh well. Alright guys, this is just Dave, first moto vlog signing out. Peace.